Yes, which grade are you in? Five. Nice. So you done coding before?
Kind of. I'm just gonna log
Computer?
in my other account, my account,
Yeah, you can do that. And yes, also are you on a laptop or are you on a tab?
laptop.
Good. Yeah, you can please log in from your account. So we're going to be doing a project today. But make sure it's a Google account, all right? Yeah. Wang, are you there? Can you say hi? Hi, yeah.
Chloe is not in yet. The mother said she's in.
Wang's different, right?
Yeah, Wang Yixuan. Yeah, there's another girl. Okay, let me check with Chloe. Hi, is that Chloe?
Yes.
Okay, hello. All right, great. Yeah, you went to the wrong link just now.
Hey, Yash, I'm
Okay,
submitting you.
so Udhay, we have there are two more boys, but they're going to be another 5 or 8 5-ish minutes because also they forgot. So maybe you can start
I'll do
because it's
that.
already quite fast.
Sure.
Yeah.
So, Yash, you want to log out of one account? I'll just remove one.
Sorry.
Now, Yash is logged in into two
Yeah.
accounts.
Can you
Remove the Nidhi one.
remove my mom's account?
Yeah, doing that. Yeah, perfect. Hi, Chloe. Hi. So, when we'll get started. So, we'll let others come as they may. All right.
Yes, please. Sorry.
No worries.
Yes.
Thank you. So, Wong, can you say hi, please, if you're there?
Hello.
Okay, there's one more Wong. So, Wong is one.
Hi.
Hi, Wong.
Hi.
Great. So now, if each of you can please introduce yourself, your name, which grade are you in, which school, we'll get started. Yeah. So, yes, you want to go first? Please.
Um, my name's Ya. I'm 10 years old. I'm in grade 5. I'm going to grade 6, and I am in the Australian International School, Malaysia.
Nice. Thank you, Yash. Chloe, your turn, please.
I am Chloe. I am 10 years old and I'm in grade 4 going to grade 5. I go to the Australia International School, Malaysia, like Yash.
Oh, wow. So, you guys are friends, classmates, right? Sort of.
Yeah, sort of.
Cool.
Malaysia, and I am 10 years old. So I'm in grade 4 going to grade 5. Yes, I'm from South.
Very good. So, Wong, are you on your phone by any chance? On your phone or your tab?
I'm on my computer.
You're on my computer. Are you on the computer? Very good. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is one, we're going to play a small game, and two, I'm going to share a link with you on chat. Okay, and you're going to open that link for me and let me know once you've opened it. Okay. So just copying, I'm gonna paste the link on chat. So click on the chat icon on the top. You can use this link. Okay, so that's the link which we're going to use. So next, we're going to be playing a small game. Uh, Chloe, you can keep your video on if you can. That'll be nice for us to interact throughout the session. It won't take more than 45 minutes to 1 hour for us to finish the session. So meanwhile, in the session, we're going to be building our own AI project. All right. So, oh, nice. So on your computer as well. Good. Okay. So now I'm going to share my screen. You can just look at my screen and we're going to be playing a small game. And I'm going to let you choose which game you want to play as well. Okay, so the game which we're going to play is going to be based on HOTS. HOTS stands for Higher Order Thinking Skills. So here it's going to be about how fast you can think, you can apply, and you can recollect what you saw last. So you're going to looking at focus and attention, memory, and logical thinking. So I'm going to share my screen with you. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so the first game which we're going to play is called as the cyclist. I'm going to be showing you how to play this. So there are going to be a bunch of cyclists who are going to have a race among themselves. Now you got to remember who is in which position, and by just looking at a small headshot of the person, you got to tell us which place they were in. So in the demo race, we saw that this child was in the last place. So if you see this, it is this one. You select that, and then that's the right answer. Okay, you got that? Let's get started. So you got to unmute yourself. You're going to answer because I can't hear you giving me a thumbs up or nodding. Okay. So if you got that, say yes and let's get started. You ready?
Yep.
Perfect. So who wants to answer first? Yash, Chloe, Wong.
She was first.
Okay, let's give it a try. Uh-oh. Okay, let's give it one more shot. So just skip this. Okay, now watch carefully. So what's the right one?
Fifth.
Okay, perfect. Now Chloe, your turn. Yeah, Chloe.
Wait. Wait.
This one?
No.
This one?
No. Yes.
Perfect. Chloe, what you can do is you can switch off the speaker in one. You can switch off the mic and the speaker on your computer so that we don't get an echo. All right?
Oh, that wasn't me.
That wasn't you, is it? Sorry about that. Okay, so next, I'm just gonna skip this. So Wong, it's your turn now. Yes, Wong.
Mm, the
Does somebody need to switch off or their speaker?
So Wong, you can feel free to just type the answer. It's still fine. Which one you want to go with? Come on, come on. We're running out of time. We just have 80 seconds left. Okay, somebody else want to try? Yash or Chloe?
We can't see your screen.
Oops, sorry.
I press start.
Okay.
Adik-adik kena duduk dekat ni, adik.
I think it's Irfan. Yeah.
Yes, go ahead. Which one is it? Come on, guys.
We didn't know.
One, two, three, four. I want to click a random one and three, two. Last chance. You want to choose an option?
Yes,
Which one?
number 2.
This one?
No.
This one?
Yes. Yes.
No. Okay. Now let's try anagram. Let's see who gets this. So, but before that, we have a couple of your friends who joined. So let's just say hi to them. So we already have Yash, we have Chloe, and we have Wang. Hi, Chong. Nice to see you again.
Hi.
Yeah. So I thought he joined again. There's Irfan, right, Irfan?
Adik. Adik. My name is Adi.
Oh, Adi, sorry. Okay.
Adif. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
And Abdul, right? Abdul, can you say hi?
My name is Irfan.
Okay. So your name is Irfan. Got it.
They are both brothers, I believe. No? Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now, can you all give me a thumbs up, please? Chong knows what we do. Very good. So, Chong, thank you, Wang. So, Chong, what's going to be the first question? So, we're going to play one more game in which if the answer is yes, you're going to give me a thumbs up. And if it's a no, you're going to give me a thumbs down. Okay? Yes, no, maybe. Okay? Now, have you done coding before? Okay. Do you like coding? Okay. Chang, don't know. Maybe I don't know. I want to try. Okay. Okay. Good, Chloe. Next. Do you like chocolates? Wow. That's the first. Okay. Do you like playing outdoor games? Okay. How many of you are missing school? Okay. So who's a good boy or a good girl? Wow, that's very honest, Chloe. Okay. Good. Chong, I can't see anything. Is that a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Oh, maybe. Okay, that's good. Okay. So, how many of you want to make your first project in AI today? Very good. Okay. So, before we get started, let's just understand the basics. But before that, how many of you want to play anagrams before we start? How many of you want to play anagrams before we start? Okay. So, we'll quickly play 3 rounds of anagrams and let's see how we get it right. Okay. So, if you want to answer, you can just unmute yourself and tell me that you want to answer, and I'm going to let you answer that. All right. And I'm sharing my screen again. So this is how you play anagrams. So you're going to be having a random word coming in front of you. And this word is going to be related to school. So you got to find out what is that word, in which way can it be rearranged to form a meaningful word that has something to do with school. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, who wants to go first?
Me,
Yeah, go ahead.
study.
Okay, yes, Tudy. Perfect. Next,
Read.
Read. That's fast. Come, very nice. Next,
Education.
wow. Ductiin. Very nice. So what are you guys doing?
Silent.
Now,
Listen.
very good. You're listening. Okay. What am I doing?
Check.
Very good. And who are you going to be?
Scholars.
Yes.
Shout.
Lar. Perfect. Okay. This one's easy.
Stable. Not really.
Your computers are on your.
Table. Table. Tables.
Yes. Tables. Okay. At the end of the year, your parents get a.
Report.
Report. And last two.
Teacher.
Now,
No.
to go deep into a topic.
Researcher.
Very good. Research. Now, last one. Can we find this?
Nothing to do with school. Learn.
So, this is the first time or second time you're seeing this?
First time.
No, we already saw learn first. This is the second time.
Learn.
It's perfect. We got 10 on 10. So 10 questions, 10 attempts, 10 correct. And we've done that in half the time. So we got almost 3 minutes. We've done it really fast. Perfect. Well done. Now let's get started with our topic. So hi everyone. My name is Udhay. I'm from DIA, Do It Yourself Academy. We're into internationally certified coding and AI education. So today what we're going to do is we're going to look at how we are going to code. For the first part, you're going to be understanding what is programming and how you can relate programming to something different. And we're going to be making our own code with AI using Cognimates by MIT. So Chong is going to answer this for me. So Chong, what's a program?
You wrote it already.
I know, but we had a small example yesterday, right? We said it is the language of something. So what did we say?
Language of computers.
Okay. So Yash, you want to say something?
Usually code is put in the form of 010101.
Okay, very good. Okay. Wong, Chloe, something?
There's many types of code like Python and like used for machine learning and AI, which is artificial intelligence, and programming a lot of things. And in the future, we'll need a lot of programmers and coders because we're going to probably be using a lot of technology. And we also need really innovative people because we're going to need the innovation to make more robots and different types to be more efficient.
Wow, that's a lot. Good answer. So basically, a program or a code, and just like I'm talking to you in English, you can understand what I speak. But if I talk to a computer or a robot in English, it may not understand. So this coding or the program is nothing but the language of robots. So if you want the robot to do something very specific for you, you got to give it a set of commands and instructions like what does it have to do, how does it have to do, what should not be done, and all that. And that is what we call as a program. So what the computer is going to do is it receives all the information and it handles it. So now how do we relate the different stages in a program, right? So for that, the first and foremost is there are three very important stages. Okay, so can you read them out for me, please? So Yash, the first one is
Planning the program.
very good. So what do we do in the planning phase?
We decide what type of program we want to do,
Okay,
and we decide what we want to accomplish by doing the program.
perfect, very good. So Wong, what do we do in writing? Chang?
Write it into some kind of 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 thing.
No, we don't write zeros and ones right away. So we make it into words which we call as syntax and writing the actual code. So the best part about programming and coding is we don't have to write the zeros and ones. The software which we're using, it takes care of converting all our code into the way it has to be given to the computer. That's the best part. Okay, but good one, Wang. So here what we're actually doing is we are typing the actual code to create the set of instructions we want. Very good. And Chloe, what is the last one?
Test and debugging the program.
Okay, so what do we do in this?
You check for bugs such as crashes in your apps
Mm-hmm.
and random things shutting down, or viruses taking over,
Wow.
uh, like hackers could hack it. They're trying to make it more secure and stable.
Mm-hmm. Well done. So in a simple analogy, if I'm going to tell you what are three stages, now if they say I'm going to fly to Malaysia, right? So first thing I got to do is I got to plan when do I want to go to Malaysia, right? So for that I got to plan my dates of visa. I got to plan to book my tickets and all that. So what I'm going to do and when I'm going to do and how I'm going to do that is what is called as the planning phase. Next, coming to the writing phase, the first thing I'm going to do is so I'm going to go to my airport and I'm gonna do my security check. I'm gonna board my flight and I'm gonna land in Malaysia after I've flown from India to Malaysia. Right? That's the writing phase. But then while doing this, I discovered something. So I actually booked a connecting flight to Malaysia. Okay? So I've got down in Delhi instead of Malaysia by mistake. So what do I do? I got on a different city than Malaysia, than KL. So what should I do now? Yash, what do I do?
Search for a solution.
Search for a solution. So what is my
Book another
solution?
flight.
Perfect. I got to take another flight to KL. So I got to book one more ticket and I got to go back to KL. So that is testing and debugging. But like Yash rightly said, you got to think, decide what you want to do. So once I find out what is wrong over here, I'm going to plan and do it right again. Okay. So today there are so many programming languages out there, but they're basically two types. One is called as a syntax based. Second is called as a graphical based. In syntax based, you actually type the code word by word. There's a specific word for every instruction. You go wrong, it will not work. He'll give you so many errors. And just imagine if your code is like 2000 lines. You got to check out where the error is and you got to fix that. And the output is not very visually attractive. but this is what will actually be used for building real-time applications. But now what we are going to do is we're going to try and learn how to build applications in AI. So we're going to start with this part where it is simple, looks very appealing, and output is make sure that it is very interactive and nice for us to see. So now the platform which we're going to use is called as Cognimates. This is the platform. I'm going to share that on chat again so that our new friends are able to open that as well. So I'm going to share the link to the software. So those who opened it, please type opened in chat. So yes, you opened it, right? So yes, you're done opening. Okay. Irfan, are you done? Have you opened the software? I've shared a link. Thanks, Yash. Sean, have you opened it?
Yeah, it looks scratchy.
It looks scratched like, but it is fully about AI. Just look at all the blocks in the blocks palette. You'll find a lot of new things. It's an advanced version. So look at the block palette. Okay. Wong, have you opened it?
Yes.
Very good.
Yeah.
Shongstan, Franstan, very good. Good job, guys. Okay. Now, first, I'm going to do the first project for you, and then you can follow up with the following ones. Now, this software is by MIT in USA, and they've made this so that we can learn AI in the easy way. So, can you all see my screen now?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, now it is pretty much like the interface that Scratch has. And here, this here is our hero, which we call as the sprite. The sprite is going to perform a way load of commands, what we're going to give the sprite. And then there's the backdrop. You can decide what it looks like. So for now, I'm going to choose this one, the blue sky. It's simple and nice. And I'm going to change the sprite. So Wong, can you choose one sprite for me? Which one do you like?
Ninja.
Which one?
I like the robot.
Who's that? Wong, which one was yours? This one? Wong, you chose this one, right? Okay, so I'm going ahead with this one. Wong, this or this? Okay, so for now, I'm going ahead with a robot or, okay, let's try Ninja. I think Wong wanted this. Add Ninja. Where are you? Okay, so Ninja is here. So I'm going to remove the duplicates. Okay, so now the function which we are going to use, particularly in AI, in this, we're going to be giving commands to Cognimates, and Cognimates is just going to listen to us and make our sprite, the hero, perform whatever we're going to tell the sprite to perform. So in this case, we have Ninja, and if you see Ninja does some specific moves. So one is left position and two is the right position. Okay, and this is the standing position. So I'm going back to my code, and then over here I'm going to make Ninja perform the actions. Okay, so first let's say hello to Ninja, and let's let Ninja say hello to us. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say hello. So I want Ninja to hear what I say. So what we're going to do now is there's some feature in this that is not there in Scratch or anything, which is called as over here. If you see, there is speech to text and text to speech. This you might find in Scratch, but this is a very specific application of what we speak getting converted to text, which cognimates can take decisions based upon it. Okay, so first is now Ninjit has said hello to us, and then we're going to be giving commands to Ninjit. So over here we have two very specific blocks. Now this over here is called your block palette, and in each one there's a set of blocks, and they have a very specific functionality. So when I say start listening, Ninjit is going to start listening to me, and the very important thing is I got to tell Ninjit when Ninjit has to stop. But in between, there is something very, very important. I gotta tell Ninjit how long Ninjit has to listen to me, right? So, how long shall we ask Ninjit to listen? So, you have 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 5 seconds, and 7 seconds. So, what do you like?
7 seconds.
7 seconds, okay. And what block can I use?
Wait.
Very good. So, I'm gonna ask Ninjit to wait for 7 seconds. And over here, what I can also do is I can find out what I spoke. So it's going to get converted and it's going to appear over here. Okay, so just see how it works. Hello. So 7 seconds is done and stop listening. Next, I'm going to try again. Bye. Wong. Okay, so it's all
Maybe
going to be
7 seconds is a bit too long.
okay. So shall we make it 5?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're going to integrate our code together. Okay, so first Ninjit is going to say hello for 2 seconds, and let's make Ninjit speak. Let's give Ninjit a voice. Let's check out the voice.
Hello.
So is the voice okay? The other option is
Hello.
which one's better?
Giant.
Giant is better?
Yes.
Okay. So Ninjet is going to say hello and Ninjet is going to ask, what do you want me to do? Okay. Let's look at this, how it goes.
What do you want me to do?
Now let's connect both.
What do you want me to do?
Dance.
What do you want me to do?
Attack. Okay, so now what we're going to do next step is when we give a command to Ninjit, we got to tell Ninjit what Ninjit has to do. Okay, so next going back to our speech function, and here we have another set of code that says when I hear something, I can perform an action. So what all command shall we give?
To do a backflip.
Now you have limited costumes, and I would prefer one word commands. It'll be easier to give Ninjit, like attack, dance. Okay, and I hear attack. Next, I can do one more or two more, like sing, dance, hello, anything. Sing, dance,
Hello, say
move.
hello.
Okay, so when I say hello, then let's make Ninjit ask, what is your name? The voice, I'm changing it back to which one? Alto or giant?
Can we try the one? Alto.
Okay, let's change the voice, and here Ninjit is going to ask us what is your name. Now let's just see how are you. Okay. So what do you want to do when I give the command attack? What shall we do?
Make ninja say, "Give me your money."
Okay.
How are you?
So let's change the voice back to giant and say, give me your money. But shall you make Ninja move a bit? Or no? Yeah? You want to make Ninja move?
Yes. Maybe
Okay.
they
So we're going to
make
go
ninja
to,
move into a striking pose.
right, very good. So what we'll do is we'll make Ninja move really fast and then we'll move Ninja to a striking pose. Ninja right, okay, and then we'll give a small time delay of maybe half a second and we'll bring Ninja back to the home position. Okay, shall we try this? How it goes? Ready?
Yes.
But we missed something small here. What have we missed?
The
Chong can tell me.
starting.
Yes, very good. So what shall I choose?
Events.
Okay, in events, shall I choose this one or this one? Or this one?
When the sprite clicked.
Okay, good. Ready? And we're going full screen. 3, 2, 1.
What do you want me to do?
Attack.
I think we should delete the stop listening one because it won't listen to what you say then.
Okay, is it so? Stop listening. I've already given it over here. Something else can I do? And before that, the first thing you always remember in coding is you always save your code to your computer. Okay, or if something happens, you're going to lose the entire thing. So here I'm going to save it. Now my code is on my computer. So even if I refresh or anything happens, I still got my code. Okay, so let's try again. Okay, it's kind of stuck. I'm going to reload, and if I reload, my entire code is gone. So what I do is I go to file, load from my computer. Now that I've saved it, I know it's safe. So our code is back. Let's see, go.
What do you want me to do?
Hello.
How are you?
Okay, so that part's good. Now I'm going to try again.
What do you want me to do?
Attack.
Get me your money.
You want to try that again?
Yes.
Okay, and we click on Ninja.
What do you want me to do?
Attack.
What do you want me to do?
Hello.
How are you?
What do you want me to do?
Attack.
Get me your money.
Okay, so now if you see, what we saw was the buffer. So whatever I spoke got registered there. so it was not getting cleared. Okay, so there's a different code which you can actually do to clear whatever was there, but this being a demo session, let's start by doing this by yourself. So now I'm going to give you all 10 minutes. So we started by around 2:45, sorry, you started around 25-30 minutes ago. So I'm going to give you 10 more minutes. All right, so whatever code you're seeing on screen, I want you to do it. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, so I'm going to leave the code on the screen. You can look at it and you can do it by yourself. So once you've done it, you can let me know, and I'm going to ask you to share your screen. Okay,
Do you
ready?
have to do the Do you have to do the same code?
You can do it different. So all I want you to do is I want you to use all the functions like text to speech to text, motion and looks, and events and control. So using these six, you can do whatever you want, get creative. So you can, it's your wish. You don't have to do the same thing. Whatever you want to do, do it. And I'm giving you 10 minutes of time. Okay? Start.
The link, they know the link is in the chat.
Yep, the link is in the chat. I'm going to share it again for you. So you can use the chat. If you see here, I've just shared the code for you. And just click on that. You can open the link. So once you click on the link, this opens up. It creates your project, loads all the extensions, and you have your code platform, that is Cognimates. Now you have an empty code, so you can start doing however you want to do. And to choose your hero, the sprite, you can choose it from here. Choose a sprite, and for your backdrop, you can choose your backdrop from over here, whatever you want. So get creative, guys. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I'm going to be right here. Yash, what happened?
I just made the funniest thing.
That's good. Can you tell us?
So I got Alexa as right.
Mm-hmm.
Then I basically made Alexa say, "Hello, my name is Alexa. I am a rip-off suit."
That's good. I think Chong is making something funny as well. He's all smiles. Okay, once you're done, you can see you're done. I'm going to ask you to share your screen. You can show all of us what you've done. So you have 5 more minutes. Irfan is thinking, what should I make my sprite speak? Yeah, Irfan? Yes, I think you're done, right? Yeah?
No,
Yash?
I'm not done yet.
Now? Okay. So, Yash, you done?
Yes.
You are? Okay, that's good. You want to share your screen?
Okay.
Go ahead, please.
All right. Can you see this?
Yes, I can see that.
My name is Alexa. I am a rip-off of Siri. Amazon copied Siri. Apple is the best. Buy Apple products. Please buy Apple products. Spare me from my misery to go into your dirty and weird houses. This is my message. Goodbye. P.S. I almost died talking to you. LOL.
Okay, so where is AI in this? I want you to say something to Alexa. So this Alexa said everything to you. I want you to use the speech function, the speech to text. So maybe you know what you can say? Once Alexa says, "Hi, I'm Alexa," then you can ask Alexa, "So what do you do?" And then Alexa can say all this. You want to try that? Do that. Perfect. Your last 2 minutes.
I can't find where you do the speech thing. I can't find it.
Let me help you with that. So I'm going to present my screen now. So Chloe, look at my screen, please. Okay. So now this is how you get your Cognomate screen. So you go to the bottom. So this is your block palette. You go to the bottom and then you find speech to text over here.
Okay.
And you got to use start listening, stop listening, and when I hear, and get later speech. This you don't need to drag it, but you can just enable it so it just appears over here. Okay. Good.
Yeah.
So Wong, I think you're ready. She's Chong. You ready? You're on mute, Chong.
Mm. Mm.
Are you ready?
Yeah, but my computer is hanging.
Okay, no problem. Take a couple of minutes. Irfan, are you ready? Okay. Wong, I can't hear you. I can't see you. Are you ready? Wong, are you there? Arif, you ready? No? You want some more time? Okay. So how many of you want to do a do along? Do you want to do along? So what I do, you gotta do just like that. You want to do that? Ready? Thumbs up if you want to do along. Yes or no? Guys, do you want me to repeat what I did for you? You want to do it along with me? Yes? Sean, what happened? Computer is still hanging, is it? Yeah? Okay. Let's do something different. I'm going to do the code, but you're going to tell me what to do and how to do. Okay? So this is a sequence you're going to follow. First, it's going to be Yash, and then it's going to be Chloe, and then Chong, and then Irfan, and then Arif. Okay? Ready? So we're going to do it step by step, and you're going to do it with me. And we start now. Okay? So I'm going to close my old code. It's okay. And I'm going to delete all of these. Okay. So Yash, you're first. What's the first step I got to do? Come on, guys, really fast. We got just 5 minutes.
Change the sprite to Alexa.
You want to change the sprite to Alexa? Okay. Shall we choose something else, please? Let's not choose any other brand. Can you choose something very generic?
How about to coordinate?
Sure. Very good. Now I'm going to remove this one. Okay, who's next? Chong, what do I do? Fast, 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 fast. Come on. Chong. Okay. Next we have Chloe. Chloe, what do I do next?
Pardon?
So what step is the next one? What do I do next? What is the next step?
For what?
Sorry?
What? For what?
In the code, I want to make a project with speech to text. So what is the next step I got to do? So I have my sprite. What do I do next?
Um, you press speak. Hello.
Okay,
Click to speak.
very good. So first is I would like Cognimate to speak to me. Very good. Cognimate is going to say hello. Okay. Next we have Irfan. What should I do next, Irfan?
Um,
Now next step is
that voice too. That voice too.
very good. Next, Arif. Come on, fast, fast, fast. You're running short of time. I'm going to show you
Left
how.
back.
Sorry,
Move right.
this one or
Move
this one?
right, left, and right.
Okay, you want to move, but I don't think Cognimate has costumes. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to ask Cognimate to ask us, tell me what you want me to do. Okay, what's next? Yash, fast, fast, fast.
So then, when I hear, um, tell about,
One word,
tell me about what you do.
one word, not multiple words. One word.
Jab,
Sorry,
jab,
Gab, G-A-B,
jab,
dab,
G-A.
oh, dab, okay. Okay, Chong, what next? Are you back, Chong? Perfect.
Yeah, I just restarted my computer.
Good. So what's next? So when I say dab and in between we've left something important, right? What is it, Chong? We left something important in between.
The start one.
Very good. Start listening and stop listening. So how much time are we going to give?
Sorry?
How much time are we going to give in between?
5 seconds.
Good. Okay. Next we have Chloe. So Chloe, what do I do when I hear the word dab? When I hear dab, what do I want Cognimate to do?
Uh, you run around in circles.
Go on in circle. Okay, let's see if I have that option. So I can go to random places. Is that good enough?
Yeah.
Okay. But I'm going to do something interesting. I'm going to make him do that really fast, but 10 times, or rather 5 times. And I'm going to give a small delay of 1 second. Next. Is that it? Yes? Shall we try this?
These,
No, we missed something. Irfan, what have we missed?
the, um, the events thing, the one sprite clip, this happened.
Excellent, Irfan. Excellent. Arif, you say ready, and I'm going to start.
Ready.
Very good. So I'm going to go full screen. I'm going to click on Cognimate.
Hello. Tell me what you want me to do.
Dab. Okay, that was 5 times. Excellent. Okay, and I'm going to show you something interesting as well. So over here, I'm going to go back up and I'm going to upload a code from my computer. I'm going to show you something about feelings. Okay. So over here, what's going to happen is I'm going to use a sensing thing which can help me understand the feelings, and it can respond based on what word we say. So I will tell Nano here. Nano is a hero over here. Nano is the sprite, and Nano has multiple costumes. One in which Nano is happy, that is this one in which Nano is angry, and one is neutral, a normal gentle smile, and this is Nano just standing. Okay, so what is going to happen right now is Nano is going to ask us to say a word, and based on whatever we speak, Nano is going to tell us what sort of word it is. Okay, and I'm going to do this really fast for you. Just not going to do it by ourselves, and just going to see what's going to happen.
Hi, I am Nano. Say something about me, please.
Good.
Thank you. Hi, I am Nano. Say something about me, please.
Bad.
No, I am not. Hi, I am Nano. Say something about me, please.
Okay.
It is okay.
Right, so that's what Nano could do when you have the different functions coming in. Okay, and apart from that, we also have some really amazing things what you can do with AI. So AI is about making the robot think like us. There's so many applications of AI: gaming, expert systems, speech, face, text. All this can be recognized through AI, and then you can build intelligent robots that can be used for computer vision. So these are some of the skills which you learned today. So what I really like was you all thought in a very logical way and gave me the right answers. You found out the small things and you understood how the computer thinks. And over here, if you see Yash, he taught us something really different and he made it up. And we made some different algorithms. And finally, we saw how we can make the computer have feelings and think like us. So these are some of the projects which you can do. Now, this is a photo of celebrities, right? So can someone tell me who this is? Okay, this one. Chris Evans. Very good. Now let's see the computer can do that. So this is the code, and this is how the computer does it. This is our code, and it's analyzing that there are two celebrities, and the first one is Robert Downey, and second is Chris Evans. And next is it can help us to identify the objects. So this is the output. Let's see how it works. We done our code. That's a person, that's another person, and that's a bus. Can do that with AI. And next is the best part, where you can identify what is the current expression and try to understand if the person is happy, sad, angry, neutral, surprised. And all this you can do with code and AI. And this is one of our students. He's from Chennai. So this person here, she's India's first woman police officer who's done an IPS, and he made an awareness campaign for sensitizing people on COVID, and it was appreciated by her very much. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. And this is our student who was on the cover page of a magazine, and this is an award which we got for being the best in robotics. This is our student who got one more award for the best solution to prevent climate change at a national level. This is one more award which we've got for being the best in futuristic education. And do you have any questions right now? Anything you want us to answer? Any questions? Yes? No? Yes? Yeah, Yash, what's your question?
So I revised my Alexa thing.
Mm-hmm.
So can I present it?
Yep, you have 1 minute. Go ahead, please.
Uh, Alright. So, and
My name is Alexa.
what do you do? Alexa, what do you do? Seems like it doesn't work.
I am a rip-off of Siri. Amazon copied Siri. Apple is the best. Buy Apple products. Please buy Apple products. Spare me from my misery to go into your dirty and weird houses. This is my message. The innovation at Amazon is stealing Apple products. Goodbye. P.S. I almost died talking to you. LOL. Goodbye.
That's
Bad for
me.
you. Puny earthling. Because you have feelings and are a sucker. Ha 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 ha.
Okay, that was kind of mean, Yash. Okay, so we never talk bad about anybody or any products. So here we're just gonna learn, okay? But good try. I'm happy you tried to use the functions the right way. So anybody else? John, you want to share something? Sorry?
Can
Sorry?
I?
Yeah, go ahead.
Hello. Hello. What can I do for you?
John, you're on mute. We can't hear you, sorry.
Oh, okay.
Can you go down, please? I can't see your code.
Hello. What can I do for you?
Change background. Oops, I didn't put the background.
And you also made a spelling mistake in change background.
Okay.
Yeah. Go up to your code. So when I hear change background. Good. Okay. Now choose your backdrops. Choose fast. One, next one, two, next one, three. Good. Let's go ahead. Start. Go on top. Okay.
Hello. What can I do for you?
Change background. Ah,
Stop and try again. Go ahead. Do that again.
Hello. What can I do for you?
change background.
Chong, I'll give you a simple idea. Remove or replace the command with change. Just change. I'll make it easier for you. Go to the code and make it change.
Wow, I can't hear.
No, that's because your sister is a bit noisy. You can just make it change. So change this, make it change.
We can change.
Yeah, just make it change. Remove the background. It'll make it easier. Okay. Just type change. Okay, very good. Let's start.
Hello. What can I do for you?
Change.
You got it.
Hello. What can I do for you?
Change.
It changed, right? It was white, now it's become blue. That's it.
Sorry?
Did the background change? It was white, it's become something different. Has it not?
It becomes pale blue now.
Correct. Very good. Good. Can you say add?
Okay.
Do it again.
Hello. What can I do for you?
Add.
$103.
Wow. Excellent. Well done, Chang. Really nice. Okay, so we're coming to the end of the session. So, Chong, you can please stop sharing your screen. Thank you. So, all of you, videos on, mic off. Ready? Look at me. All of you look at me. Very good. So, Irfan's here, Arif is here, Yash, Chong, and Chloe. Okay. So, do you enjoy the session? Okay. Did you enjoy? Irfan? If you enjoyed, you can give me a thumbs up. Arif? Thumbs up is yes, maybe, and no. Perfect. Thank you. So, do you want to do more such projects by yourself?
Yes.
Great. Now you can just unmute your mic. Thank you so much. You can just unmute your mic and tell me what you liked. So first we'll go with Yash. So Yash, what do you like?
Cognimates.
You loved Cognimates. Perfect. You made your first AI project. Very good. So Chang, your turn.
Same.
You like the same. Very good. So how was the session? Was it fun? You liked it?
These.
Sorry, what's these? Is it yes or is it no?
It's yes.
Okay. Thank you. Chloe, your turn. So what do you like?
I didn't have anything I favored in particular.
Okay. Overall, was it good?
It was okay.
Thank you. So Irfan, your turn. What do you like? Irfan, you're on mute.
Mm. Yes.
You liked it? What do you like?
Yes. I like it.
Perfect. Arif,
Okay.
Arif, your turn. Arif, what do you like?
I like his feet follow me.
Thank you. Wong, your turn, and we're gonna close with that.
I don't like
Sorry, Wong, was not audible.
I don't like
Okay, but did you enjoy the session?
yes.
Super. Thank you so much, kids. Look forward to seeing you in the advanced project session. So you can talk to your parents, let them know you liked it, and we'll help you to make your own projects in AI and coding. Is that good?
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. Thank you for joining in. Bye bye.
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 Thank you, Udhay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye. Yes, bro, just joining. Sorry. Class இப்பதான் முடிஞ்சது. Oh, okay. Done. Sure. It's in the group.
Our partners, Samat Nadkar, Manish Jain, Pawan Tawargiri, Charan Kapoor, and Udhay Shankar, Charan Kapoor.
Hi, Udhay. Udhay, could you just quickly ask your name and what's your name, please?
Yep, I'll do that.
Thank you.
Krishna, could you please rename Nishan? देखो अभी क्या होगा
Shall we,
Yeah, we are just starting. Udhay Shankar, you are in. You are with which chapter?
Infinity, Shabir.
Yeah, infinity. Okay, super.
Yeah, infinity.
And we have got Pavan Tavargiri and Ram Prakash Sivakumar.
Yes. I am from
Okay. Pavan, can you both just rename and add your chapter name before?
Yeah. हाँ, वो अपना background. इधर background पीछे. हाँ, बस हम लोग पीछे. नहीं, ठीक है.
Okay, guys, I don't have the chapter names for following people. If you can please rename Nand Kishore D. Which chapter are you from? Then Neeraj Shah, then Pavan Tavargiri, then Ram Prakash Sivakumar. If you can please put your chapter name ahead of your name.
Ram, it has to be BNI Infinity hyphen Ram.
Nanda Kishore also be an infinity.
Okay. Ram and Infinity. Okay. Neeraj Shah is in Captivators and Hubli Hallmark. We have Pavan. Okay. Super. Okay, guys, I think we are good to go with almost everyone in. So I'll just take the briefing on what we are going to be doing. Okay, so welcome for the next 1 hour. Welcome to an evening with Rescue Room. I'll just briefly tell you what Rescue Room is all about. Rescue Room is India's largest chain of live escape games. We have got 14 centers across India, and we are expanding rapidly across India. In the lockdown, what we did was we converted this entire escape game experience into a virtual or an online game. We have hosted more than 200 chapters for their chapter socials for this online game. And we had a single feedback from all of them was that this is excellent for team bonding. So we decided to launch our second game. And when we said that we want to launch our second game, we thought we should do it with the leaders across India. And that is why we held a competition of all the leadership teams. Okay. So you guys are the first lot of people to actually experience our second game. Let me tell you now what is going to actually happen. This game is called 60 minutes, 60 doors. So you are going to be given a riddle a minute. Okay. So there is an opportunity to solve 60 riddles. Every time about the first riddle is posted, and once you post the answer for it, you will get the second riddle. Okay. Now we are looking at how many can you actually finish in 60 minutes. Okay. The winner will be the one who finishes maximum in 60 minutes, but within the minimum amount of time. Now, when we are talking of time, every incorrect answer that you put on the group. So, from all of you, I am sure you would have nominated your captain by now. Let only captain put the answer on the group, because every incorrect answer that comes on the group, 1 minute will be added to your final time. So, you will be penalized by 1 minute. If you are stuck on a door, you can ask for a hint, and for that you have to type the word HINT, hint. Okay, so we will give you a hint. Every hint that you take, 2 minutes will be added to your final time. Okay, if you want to pass a door, you can pass a door, you have to write the word pass, PASS. The moment you write the word pass, that door will be passed and 3 minutes will be added to your final time. So you will be penalized for by 3 minutes. If you give three incorrect answers for the same door, it will be an auto pass. Okay, so then we will automatically send you the next one and it will be an auto pass. Okay. At the end of it, we are looking at what is your average time to open each door. Okay. The hints that you have taken against the social media posts which you would have done, okay, up till now. So from now, we are not accepting any more new social media posts. Up till that point of time, any social media post, those hints will be deducted in the final calculation. We will be putting you in a breakout room just now. There will be a couple of minutes lag before the game starts because everyone has to accept that breakout room. But we will be starting all the groups exactly at the same time. The game will be played 100% on WhatsApp. The Zoom is only for you to communicate with each other. Okay. So we will be starting the breakout room. You will need to accept your notification. Before I start the breakout room, anyone has any questions, you can ask me that now.
Sabir, can I ask something? Yeah, basically, so we are going to discuss the answers on Zoom and just type, the captain will type it on the WhatsApp group that you have created. That's it, correct?
Perfect. Perfect.
Okay. So Shabir, can I ask something?
Yes, please.
Yes, my question is that, if we answer something in the group and if we want to change that answer in another 5 seconds or 10 seconds, can we do that?
No. If you put an answer on the group, so that is why the Zoom you can discuss with everyone. The moment the answer comes on the group, we consider it taken. All the answers that you will have are necessarily 4-digit number codes only. So there is no other answer that we are looking for. We are looking only for 4-digit, not 3 and not 5. Okay? They will all be open with a 4-digit number code.
If there are 3 incorrect answers, they will be auto-passed to the next question. And is there any time penalty for that?
3 minutes. So each incorrect is 1 minute.
Incorrect will be considered.
Okay. So it will all, okay. Got it. Fine.
Okay? Great. So I'm opening the breakout rooms and please accept the notification. If you end up in the wrong breakout room by mistake, then please come back to the main session. Okay, we don't want you to give answers to the other groups.